Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring the latest updates from economic world. Today we have some from India that is set to revolutionize the country's electronic manufacturing industries. We will explore how India is making significant strides in the semiconductor sectors. Recently, the Indian government made a groundbreaking announcement regarding the production of made in India semiconductor chips. The government hailed these significant milestones in India's quest to achieve self-reliance in the electronic manufacturing.
India will develop 85,000 semiconductor professionals over a period of 10 years. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji launched Semicon India on the 1st January of 2022.
Communication Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw revealed that first made in India semiconductor chips are expected to roll out by the December 2024. To achieve this, up to 5 semiconductor plants will be established within a year. One of the key players leading the charge in the American company is Micron. Micron has invested a whopping around $2.75 billion in a semiconductor plants in Gujarat, and it is expected to bring around 200 smaller units as a part of the ecosystem. The allocation of land, factory, design work and tax compliances related agreement have already been completed from the ambitious project. Minister of State for IT and Electronic Rajiv Chandrasekhar highlighted the positive outcomes of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent visit to the United States, where he met the President Joe Biden. These meetings have resulted in several big-ticket announcements by industry giants like Micron, Applied Materials and Lam Research. These investments are projected to create an estimated 80,000 new jobs in India. The positive effect will not only be seen directly through these companies but also indirectly as a catalyst for the overall electronic and semiconductor ecosystem. Applied Materials, a leading semiconductor equipment makers, plan to invest around $400 million over the next 4 years in India. Their focus will be on the building collaborative engineering center in Bengaluru, which will drive the development and commercialization of cutting-edge technology for semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Lam Research, another prominent player, aims to train 60,000 Indian engineers through its Semiverse solution virtual fabrication platform. This initiative will accelerate India's semiconductor education and workforce development goals. Minister Chandrasekhar emphasized that India's aim is to become a central presence in a global semiconductor value chain. After being absent from this industry for 75 years, India is now emerging as a growing force, covering everything from design and talented to packaging research. And there you have its folk. India semiconductor journey is on upward trajectory with major investments, job creation and prospect homegrown semiconductor chips. The future of electronic manufacturing in India is looking brighter than ever before. Stay tuned for further channel updates. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on existing development. As India takes its place in global semiconductor industries, the possibilities are endless. Imagine the innovative product that will be powered by these made in India chips, from smartphones and laptops to smart home devices and electronic vehicles. The impact will be felt across various sectors, transforming the way we live and work. Moreover, this surge in semiconductor investment will create numerous opportunities for Indian engineers and researchers. As Lab Research trains 60,000 Indian engineers throughout its virtual fabrication platform, country talent pool will expand, leading to more breakthrough and technological advancement. This development also strengthens the Indian position in global electronic markets. With the capacity to manufacture its own chips, the country will reduce its dependence on import and achieve the greater self-sufficiency in meeting domestic demands. Additionally, the growth of the semiconductor ecosystem in India will spur innovation and entrepreneurship. Startups and small businesses will find new avenues to develop and commercialize their ideas, fostering and thriving tech ecosystem and boosting the economy. It is important to recognize the crucial role played by the Indian government in facilitating this investment, technological milestone, but also a testament to the country's potential and determination. From ancient wisdom to cutting-edge technology, India continues to evolve and save the world. That's all for today's video. We hope you find this video on India's semiconductor revolution informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.